Hi, I'm Dr. Sahiba Bedi and I'm associated with Center for Sight, Mumbai in the departments of cataract, pediatric ophthalmology and squint. The most common problem, that is the refractive error, which means glasses. We have treatments for minus numbers, plus numbers, cylindrical powers, which is also known as astigmatism. Also nowadays, newer treatments for myopia progression, which is actually the need of the hour, in which most of the kids have progressive powers of their eyes, which they're not able to control. We have latest development treatments for that as well, in the form of DIMS or HALT glasses, or in the form of low dose atropine drops, with the help of which we can actually control the speed of progression of your child's number. As far as squints are concerned, there are more than one ways to treat squints, in the form of simple glasses or special glasses like prism glasses, or even surgical methods, but that needs to be ascertained after a thorough examination by your pediatric or ophthalmologist. So the most important way to prevent eye problems in children is by screening the children well in time for their eye problems or just simply vision, especially when they are young. Guidelines recommend that every child, even if they don't have any eye problem, should be evaluated or at least screened for their vision by about 3 years of age, followed by 5 years of age. That is when they start going to school, and most of the eye problems that is when they start getting picked upon. Another important aspect of prevention of eye problems is limitation of screen time, which is actually the need of the hour. So studies have recommended that limitation of near activities, which include excessive reading, writing, a lot of fine work at 30 centimeters distance, and a lot of mobile use, goes a long way in retarding the progression of numbers. So children who spend more time in outdoor daylight doing some form of physical activity and who have moderate amount of near activities, as I said, which includes reading, writing and mobile use, they tend to have numbers very late or not at all. If they have numbers, then they grow very slowly. Another important aspect is healthy nutrition. Feed your child with foods rich in vitamin A, C, E, omega-3 fatty acids. So foods like green leafy vegetables, carrots, nuts, seeds are really helpful in maintaining a good health of the eye. So lastly, to conclude, I'd like to say that regular eye evaluations, screening well in time, a healthy lifestyle of your child and prompt treatment of any eye problem goes a long way in treating and ensuring that your child's vision stays sharp as they grow. Thank you.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.